always had a brother like you. Love the song. Morning, guys. Let's go to gym. You know, gym pennies are up, and yeah. Morning, Sanbarani Dumelang. Hope you are well. Kamalam Gubusa Kamtlongo and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, you are most welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much for your continuous love and support. I truly appreciate you. I'm done at the gym. I didn't take you inside. I'm alone this week and akfani. I miss Ulihle so much. I recently started going back to gym and I have a gym partner Ulihle, but she's away with work this week, so I'm flying solo. Kapora, I'm lonely. I'm now le energy le, but we are still pushing. Let's go home, get ready, because we are going to work today. I went to Home Affairs this week. I was renewing my passport. Tell me why I got penalized for renewing my passport before it expired. It's gonna expire in the next 6 months. But because I'm traveling, if you are traveling and your passport is about to expire, some countries they have issues. So rather be safe than sorry, they would always advise us just renew. Renewing a passport is 600. I paid 1,200 to renew that passport. Yeah, I paid double the price for renewing early. Yeah, it sucks, but yeah, I've done that. I also got myself a smart ID card because I was still flying with the green mamba. I don't know why, but it took me long enough. I'm glad I finally applied for the smart ID card. If you haven't, this is your reminder to get yours. This is your reminder to get your smart ID card. And what else? I also went to therapy this week. I love going to therapy. My goodness. If you can. Talking about therapy, 5 things that are worth the money. Medical aid. And throw in there some gap cover if you can. Therapy. Highly recommend therapy because kuningi and sibangane and siwan. You need a safe space. Safe space where you can really share your thoughts and what's going on the inside and what's happening in your mind. Very important. Number 3, get yourself a helper. Oh, get yourself a helper. My life is rosy because of Usisi. There was a month she wasn't around this year. Being right, I had someone who came to fill in for her, but because Usisi knows how I like things, she knows how things are in the house. Yo! Number 4, Choreographed furniture. Number 5, international trip. Go overseas and see how other people are living. You know, I still sit. I have memories of, there was a time where we're in Phi Island in Thailand. Like, as the boat was going, I was like, you can't tell me there's no God. That place is beautiful. In Australia, I've seen amazing places like nature. You just like, wow, God, you're amazing. Even places like Europe, you know, walking in those buildings in Europe, there's a passage in London that when you walk in, it's just all this building. The energy feels different. I still remember how it felt walking in there my first time in London. I was like, oh my goodness. I was walking alone. I just remember being in the fields. Oh my goodness. And just seeing how people dress, how people behave, how they interact with each overseas. And if I would advise as South Africans, if it's your first time traveling or you are not, maybe go to Asia. Asia is usually cheaper for us South Africans because our rand is stronger there. So just to enjoy, you know, it's nice going to places where you pay euros, pounds, dollar, but the conversion and the current race the conversion and currency race, it can be sometimes. So just to enjoy your trip in peace, start in Asia, go to your Thailand, go to your Bali, go to your Vietnam, go to, I think, Philippines as well. I'm not sure if Philippines, but yeah, go to such places and enjoy yourself and start there. And also go to places where they are visa free, just to make it easy for you. Visa free, currency where rent is stronger than that country and build the muscle. I think with you guys, we met each other. I started YouTube when I wasn't traveling a lot like I used to, but I think I'll be back soon. Another reason, honestly, one of the reasons I wasn't so keen on traveling, truth be told, I used to get sick, man. I used to get sick when I travel. Like when I come back, I'll come back sick. But now I know it was endometriosis. I'll always get an end of flare up, and I didn't know I was getting an end of flare up because I was just like, I don't understand. My body will feel weird, and I wouldn't be able to pinpoint where the pain is coming from. It was end of flare up. But now I'm excited to see how I'm gonna handle my next trip, just to see how healed I am and if there's any difference. I'm looking forward to that. Let's go home, get ready for work before I yap away. Love you so much. Please don't forget to like this video, and if you enjoy my content and you know what, you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Support your girl. I thank you. Your support means the lot to me. Love you, and we'll catch up later. morning, my lovely people. Good morning. I made such a beautiful mistake this morning. I have an appointment for the facial, the Korean facial I spoke about on my previous vlogs. I had thought it was at 11, only to find it is it was at 11:30. That time I was running late because I had to go to gym this morning, and I also didn't even finish my exercise. As I was just texting them to say I'm running late, I'll be there in 5-10 minutes, I see the message, our appointment is at 11:30. So yeah guys, let's go and enjoy a Korean 10-step facial, 10-step Korean facial, something like that. But yeah, it's a Korean facial. It is 10-step and it is complimentary. We're driving to the facial now, but you know, this week has been a little bit, because I went to therapy this week. Every time I go to therapy, I always just like, I come back and it's usually just heavy, because obviously you get to self-introspect, you get to reflect, man. And yeah, but one thing I can say is that, guys, let's try to heal. You know, we say it's easy just to say therapy, but if you really can't afford therapy, please try to, you know, there are psychologists, there are clinical psychologists, registered clinical psychologists, who share the information they have. They share on their platforms, they share on your YouTube, they share on your TikTok, they share everywhere where they can share. And also there are self-development, what's this, podcast. Also there are self-development podcasts. So if you don't know Mel Robinson's or Mel Robbins, I'll put up her page here. You can look up. Oprah Winfrey has she has a thingy, she has a podcast as well. You can just watch. She has Expect on her show. We have Steven, she also, the Diary of a CEO. They bring experts, those people. There is also Jay Shetty, he also brings expect. I'll put up all these all these podcasts for you guys just to check. You don't have to watch all their episodes. You can just look at the episodes where they are talking about something that you find interesting, or something that you are interested in, or something that you think will help you. Because you know what, you don't want to be that person in a group setting. 5-10 minutes of a person meeting you, they already know your wounds. You don't want to be a person who's going around, you are bleeding on other people. You don't want to be that person. Like, I just met you, and already I should know when you have abandonment issues without even you telling me, because of how you behave. So just let's take care of ourselves. Let's take care of ourselves. Honestly, it's the only way. And reflect and self-reflect. What is it that is your pain point?
In 600 meters, turn right.
And if you know your pain points, that's why you start awareness. It all starts with awareness. If you don't even know what is bothering you, then it's gonna be difficult. So yeah, that's what has been on my mind. That what has been on my mind, and that's what has been just, yeah. And I thought I should share with you guys. So please, we are responsible for our lives. At the end of the day, we decide what goes and what doesn't. So just let's take care of ourselves, guys, and let's fight for our healing as well. Let's fight for our healing. Let's fight. At this point, pointing fingers and doing this and that, it doesn't help. The best you can do with yourself is acknowledging, yes, 1 and 2 and 3 happened to me, but how do I heal from that? How do I take charge of my life? How do I take care of my nervous system? How can I be a wholesome human being? How can I be a wholesome grown human being? You know? So yeah, that's all I had to say. Let's go to this traffic here. It's gonna make me late-ish, but yeah, That's all I wanted to say. That all I wanted to share.
With me.
Is that the Medicube? The globe. Sanbonani. We are back from the facial and we are glowing. It's actually been hours since we came back, but I just want to show you guys the skincare that we got. We ran out of a serum. I decided to get this Medicube one. Excited to try this one out. If you remember the last time I bought eye cream, but I bought the one for at night. I needed something for during the day. I want to try this one out, but truth be told, I wanna try Clarins eye cream. Yeah, that's the eye cream I wanna try. I'm gonna give this one a try. If it's not doing what I wanted to do, I will definitely try the Clarins. And then I also bought this toner. I bought the small one because I just wanna try it out and test it out and see if I like it. Otherwise, the facial was nice. Thoroughly enjoyed it. My lady who was helping me with the facial, she actually forgot her name. I didn't get her name, but she was lovely. She was professional. Enjoyed the facial. It was such a lovely experience. The only thing I would say is that because she did tint my eyebrows, we did a dark brown. Maybe I should have done a black because it's not so... Yeah, you can see the difference, but it's not so in your face. And for the first day, so it means by next week, by next weekend it will be gone, this tint. So that's the only thing I'll be like, they need to on their wax, on their tint, they need to just on that one. But otherwise everything else was lovely. And afterwards we went to Clicks. Let's have some Clicks haul. Gonna do cleaning material, and then from cleaning materials, and then I'll move to toiletries. I bought two of each. There was that month end or payday special, two for here. I can't remember the prices, truth be told. I usually buy my cleaning material from Checkers 60. That's why you've never seen me do the cleaning material, because I just buy them. I'll buy them from work when Sissy is around, and it will be delivered when I'm not home. So I never really unbox these or do a haul on this, but everything was 2 for. I'm not sure if it's a good idea buying cleaning material from Clicks. Yeah, I think that's it for cleaning material. The other thing I didn't buy is washing powder. I was using Ariel washing powder, but I've realized that for Auto, they don't have the washing powder Ariel. They have the liquid one now, the liquid detergent. But I'm like, Ariel, I actually don't know which washing powder to use anymore. But I do have washing powder. There was a time when I bought at Checkers, there was a special, so I bought enough. I'm not worried about that. Oh, I also got some sponges. I don't even know if we have them or we don't have them, but I was just like, let me add them. I can't remember the last time I bought them. And for toiletries, we have soap. For my body, I prefer using Dove products because they are very gentle on my skin. I do have eczema and my skin is sensitive, so I need moisturizing products for my skin, and Dove doesn't irritate my skin. It doesn't give me flare-ups, so I prefer using Dove. Been loving this body lotion. It makes my skin very soft. This body lotion, it makes my skin very soft. And shower gel. We have some toothpaste and some dental floss. Makeup product. I wanted to try this. Okay. Apparently it's good. Okay. And then you just fill it in with, I think you can see the difference. So it's this tinted. And then from L'Oreal, I got this lipstick. Let's try it as well. I hope I like this color, yes. I really hope I like this color. I'm like, I need a lipstick, man. I do have red lipsticks. For some reason, I have red lipsticks. But I'm like, usis omdala ongangam mele ngabu nama-rojak nje athi yena. So, oh, yeah. I think it would be nice with the lip liner for a lip combo with a peach blush. I really think this would be nice. Yeah, this is from L'Oreal. For vitamins, obviously, you know, I use this Probitech probiotic. I want to try taking supplements again. I just like, you know what, let me buy these ones just in case I fail again. At least I didn't spend a lot of money. I bought zinc, vitamin C, and omega-3 and 6. I really need this one. So yeah, I have this lip liner. I wish it was pinkish. But yeah, I'm not mad. And it's not dry yet. So yeah. I will meet you guys later. I feel like something seafoodish, so I think we're gonna cook later. And yeah, my skin is glowing. One thing for sure. See you later. Or the Korean facial has fallen. But I want us to try this new product. You know, I've been going on and on about therapy on this vlog. And one of the things that I'm struggling with recently is I'm in a space where I'm really trying to find myself. This is the toner. Outside of being a people's pleaser, who am I? Who am I outside of that space? I'm in a space where I even struggle to give, because do I give because I want to give? Do I give because this is who I am? Or I'm falling back into my default settings? But one thing I know for sure is that I don't want to be that person. I don't want to be that person people only think of when they want something. I don't want to be the type of person people only think of when they need something. I don't want to be that person. I want to be a person who's able to live with other people. I want to love people for who they are, and I want people to love me for who I am, just outside of what they can benefit from me, outside of what I can do for them. I really want to be in that space where I can just be myself without having any expectations from you or any pressure I don't want any of that. I just want to be me. I just want to get me as I am and love me as I am, without now, if I didn't perform, if I didn't do this, if I didn't show up in this particular way, then there's punishment, then there is now you get. Because wowza. Being a people's pleaser, I do not recommend. And the sad thing about being a people's pleaser is that, being the person when you are always the first one. If there is an issue and a problem, you are always the first one to raise your hand. You are always there. You are always present. The people know what's well. When you go through things, trust and believe you will be alone. And that's because you are pouring so much into the wrong places. You are not even evaluating where I'm pouring. If life would happen for me, would this person I'm pouring to pour back to me? If something would happen to me, this person I'm pouring to, will they be there for me? Do they have the capacity? So, so I'm in that awkward space. And also I think spending time with my mom and just realizing this thing of pouring so much into other people, aina expiry date. It doesn't end. There is no point where you get to oh no, you have given so much. You know what? Please take a break now. There is no point where it gets to that no. Ooh. You have given so much. I was saying there's no point where it gets to I know, shame, you have given so much. It's fine. You can take a step back. You can relax now. Nope. It doesn't end. There's no expiry dates. People will always come and take. If you don't have limits, if you don't know how to protect yourself, people will always come and take. Ooh. How's the skin? This thing doesn't smell nice. Ooh. It doesn't smell nice. But what can you say? There is that smell. And for sunscreen, there's another sunscreen shame I can't wait to try. So once we are done with this one of the testers they gave me the last time, that sunscreen is so good. I can't wait to use it. Sonje. Let's go make dinner and enjoy our evening. Let's go through our ingredients. So we're gonna be having orzo, then I'll have it with prawns. I'm also gonna add some peas, onions, brown onions, some red rosa tomato. I'm also gonna add some sun-dried tomatoes in there. It's gonna be a creamy dish, so we will be adding cream. And to season, I actually wish I had red wine, but I don't have red wine. I will use chicken stock, and then I'll also just add a dash of apple cider vinegar for that acidity, for the just a bit of acidity. Some tomato paste. I was still saying to season, I'll use chili flakes, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, and this is zesty seasoning. These I'm gonna use on the prawns. I'm gonna season the prawns with these, and yeah, that's it. It's gonna be easy, quick. Let's get cooking.
Whenever you're down, out in the cold, faithless and dark, your story's untold. Come take my hand and walk there with me. I know a place where we can be free. There is a light shining for you, guiding your way, helping you through. When shadows and gloom are all that you see, we'll find a place where we can be free. From the mountain top down to the deepest valley, hear a voice calling you. It's the rising sun, shining in the darkest alley. Can't you see you will be free? I have been far, I have been wide, searching for peace, somewhere to hide. Now I am free, open and pure, fearless and babe, I am secure. There is no dark that can't be lit. We'll find a way if we just commit. We are one. There is no them and us. Together we're strong. Together we're free. From the mountain top down to the deepest valley, hear a voice calling you. It's the rising sun, shining in the darkest alley. Can't you see you will be free? Can't you see you will be free? You will be free. Everyone needs a shoulder to cry on. Everyone needs a helping hand. Everyone needs someone to rely on. Yes, everyone needs a friend. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light, let Him lead the way. Lift our hands up and pray today.
Dinner is ready. Dinner is ready. This is such a hearty meal. I didn't have to add apple cider vinegar because the sun-dried tomato, they have vinegar, so the vinaigrette zestiness is coming from that. But yeah, delicious. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here as well. I love you so much and thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being part of this community. I love you. I wish you well. Take care of yourself and I will see you on the next vlog.